Hi, this is Denise. I'm going to do an unboxing on Boxycharm. Boxycharm is an online subscription to skincare, cosmetics, sometimes hair products. Um, you can get it online at boxycharm.com. I have a base box. They have different boxes that are more money. They have ones that are, I think, like by season, like you get 4 times a year or something, and those are more expensive. I got the base box that is $25 a month, and this is what it looks like in the box, as I showed you before. The base box is the red box, and it comes with a card. It gives you the prices on things and tells you what you received. It's quite easy. You do like a questionnaire and everything, like you, I guess, telling you about your skincare, what your race is, so they know what kind of makeup and skincare to match up there and what brands that you like. So this is the first one. I opened it prior because I was curious and I couldn't wait. I got it today though. This is called Glam Glow Berry Glow Probiotic Recovery Mask. I'll show you what it looks like. It's quite thick. It smells good. It does smell better. And this was the consistency. It's not bad. What's funny, my mother gets one. Her box is heavier than mine, but she got one thing that was heavier than mine. I also got an eyeliner. It looks like a wine color, if you can see. Oh, ooh, I like this color. That's gonna be nice. That's the color I like. Sorry, when I was looking for the card. Let me see what exactly it's called. Oh, it's Gerard Cosmetic Lip Pencil. It's a creamy, pigmented, yet but long-lasting, help complimentary and lip look. It felt soft. This is what I was interested in. It's a mascara from Grande Drama. Intense thickening mascara with castor oil. I'm gonna open it up. I'm curious. Actually, need a mascara. First, when I thought the box, I was a little disappointed. Like, what is this? You know, you wait so long for it, and it's like, just haven't been getting it. Just bear with me. No, I can't do it. I don't have a scissor in my room. Sorry about that. I should have pre-did it for you guys. I just want to see what it looks like when you open it. There we go. I think. I got that much email. Interesting cap the packages. Can you see it? Pretty thick. Let's just go your eyelids has castor oil on it. I like the gold. It's really nice. See other product we got, if you can see it. I think it's called Wander. If I pronounced it right. I know I've heard of this brand before. It's supposed to be really good. Alright. Let me see what exactly it says. It says Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. Sorry, I'm squinting because I don't have my glasses on. Got them. Let me see what it says on here. Oh, it's a face oil. It says Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. Bring out skin inner radiance. This illuminating oil, light diffusing optic, delivers illuminacy. Wow, like instant luminescence, potent blend, signature beauty oil, antioxidant help brighten, moisturize, and improve the appearance of the skin over time. And this is worth $42. Let me see how much the mascara costs. Mascara costs $25. I know this costs $49. I know you're getting way more than you're paying, $25 a month. I was a little disappointed in the compact. It's called Ace Beauty. Beauty. I don't know. Maybe I'm probably pronouncing it way wrong. Vintage Dawn. We'll see how much fun it will be. This is what it looks like in the package. It has really nice packaging. My disappointment with it, the colors are a little bright. You know, you answer questionnaire, but you get some colors. I prefer earth tone colors. I mean, I'm 50 years old. I don't need to be rainbow bright, okay? Or I think what people with darker skin tone will like this one because of a lot of the dark colors. Oh my god, it's worse than my mother's. Oh, I hate this one. Oh, look at this. Some people might like it. Oh my god, mine's horrible. This is barely anything I think I could use. It's so dark. Oh, I think if I had a dark complexion, yeah, I could go for this. But I'm pretty, not fair, but you know, I'm in the middle. Okay, this is the end of my unboxing. I'm just a disappointment. I guess they have different ones because my mother has different colors. So, let me know what you got, if you got the same box like me, or what you think of this box, this compact, I mean. Palette, that's right. I'm old school, I say compact. Okay, have a good day, and don't forget to subscribe. I would love to have new subscribers, and don't forget to click on the bell and know my upcoming video is coming. Okay, thank you.